I've had more than one request for help on how to file your taxes. I need to put a big disclaimer out here. I am not giving you tax advice. What I think you're really asking is, how do I go about filing my taxes? The way I'm going to show you how to do it is completely free to you. 3 of my kids have used this app, and I helped my youngest son file his taxes a couple weeks ago using this app. They are not a sponsor. However, if the makers of the Cash App program want to make a generous donation to the My Stepdad charity, there's a link in the bio. It's a good practice to have a folder that you can keep your taxes in for the documents that relate to your taxes through the year. This applies to those of you watching that are in the United States of America. All right, Felix, you gotta get out of here. If you got a job and your employer's paying you, they're going to give you a W-2 form. If you are paying on a mortgage, you will also get mortgage interest statements from your mortgage lender. Get those and any other tax documents like that and have them handy before you go log in. Then you will want to download the app, Cash App, and create an account. Then you can go to the website and click File Now. When you've done that and you've got the app loaded or you're on the website, it's going to walk you through some questions. It'll just ask you, and it'll probably tell you on which form to get the information. So, for example, on your W-2, what is your income for the year? You would put that in. If you've worked more than one job and you've got more than one W-2, then just put each one in successively. That information will go in there. It will tell you what your taxes owed are or what your refund is, and it will allow you to file your taxes. If you unfortunately discover that you owe taxes to either your state or the federal government, the date that they are due is April 18th this year in 2023. Normally it's April 15th, but the 15th is a Saturday, so it'd be the next business day, and apparently Monday is some kind of a holiday, so you get until Tuesday, April 18th. That means you'd have to mail it by Tuesday the 18th, and it would have to be postmarked on the 18th not to be late. If you mail it in late, you could have additional penalties. Hopefully wherever you've worked has withheld enough so that you aren't surprised in having to pay money. But if you do your taxes earlier, you'll know that earlier so that you can come up with that money that you get to send to Uncle Sam. If, on the other hand, you discover that you have a refund coming, then often you can put your bank information in, and I believe Cash App lets you do that too. You could put your bank information in, your routing number and your account number, and the money will be electronically transferred into your bank account once it's processed through the taxing authority, the IRS in this case, or your state taxing entity. That's about all I can show you on this video. So get your W-2s, get your -DIV forms, get whatever other tax documents you've been notified that you've got, gather those together, create an account on Cash App, and file your taxes, and they didn't charge a thing for him to do that. There are other alternatives. You can go to other tax apps. I've used TurboTax in the past. H&R Block has apps that will help do it for you. There's other kinds of tax companies that have apps that will file your taxes for not very much money. Do those things and you can get your taxes taken care of. If you use this one, it's completely free. 3 of my 5 kids I know use this app to file their taxes the last few years, and they've been happy with it. And all they have pretty much is their income from their jobs, any interest they've earned. If that's your situation, this should work for you. Always remember, you can still succeed even if you're growing up and your dad's not in your daily life. And you do have a dad that loves you. And I'll see you on the next video.